Join me as I dive into the world of stock trading to see if I can predict whether AMD stock is about to explode. AMD is a significant player in the tech industry, and its stock has been making waves lately. As a major competitor to Intel in the CPU market and Nvidia in the graphics card space, AMD has been pushing the boundaries of innovation in technology. With its Ryzen processors and Radeon graphics cards, AMD has been gaining traction among gamers, developers, and tech enthusiasts alike. So, what's driving the interest in AMD stock right now? The current market is presenting several challenges for AMD, including fierce competition from its rivals. Intel, for instance, has been investing heavily in its production capabilities, which could potentially chip away at AMD's market share. Additionally, supply chain issues have been plaguing the entire tech industry, causing delays and shortages in the production of critical components. Economic conditions are also playing a role, with rising inflation and interest rates affecting consumer spending habits and overall market sentiment. Another major challenge facing AMD is the ongoing trade war between the US and China, which is impacting global trade and supply chains. This trade tension is adding uncertainty to the market, making it difficult for companies like AMD to predict revenue growth and plan for the future. Furthermore, the plateauing of the PC market is also affecting AMD's sales, as consumers are holding off on upgrading their systems in the face of economic uncertainty. Despite these challenges, AMD has been working hard to mitigate their impact and stay ahead of the curve. For one, the company has been investing heavily in research and development, focusing on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. This forward-thinking approach could pay off in the long run, as these technologies become increasingly important in various industries. In recent months, AMD has made some significant announcements that could impact its stock performance. For instance, the company launched its Ryzen 7000 series processors, which have been receiving rave reviews for their performance and power efficiency. AMD has also been expanding its presence in the data center market, with the acquisition of Xilinx and the launch of its EAP processors. These strategic moves could potentially drive revenue growth and increase AMD's market share in the coming quarters. Moreover, AMD's financial reports have been looking promising, with the company beating revenue estimates and guiding for strong growth in the coming year. This has led to a surge in investor confidence, with many analysts predicting a significant rise in AMD's stock price. Experts are also optimistic about the company's prospects, citing its strong product lineup, efficient manufacturing process, and aggressive cost-cutting measures. One pivotal moment that suggests AMD stock is poised for a significant rise is the recent upgrade by analysts at Deutsche Bank, who raised their price target to $150. This upgrade was based on the firm's bullish outlook on AMD's product cycle, as well as its expectation of strong revenue growth in the coming quarters. With many Wall Street analysts sharing a similar view, the sentiment around AMD's stock is becoming increasingly positive. So, what does it all mean? In conclusion, AMD's stock is facing several challenges in the current market, but the company's recent developments, financial reports, and expert opinion suggest that it could be poised for a significant rise. Whether AMD stock will explode is hard to predict, but one thing is certain: the company is well positioned to take advantage of emerging trends and technologies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your opinions in the comments about AMD's future. If you want to stay up to date with the latest stock analysis and market insights, be sure to check out my other videos.